Assigning tasks can be a tedious endeavour. Ensuring everyone gets a sufficient and fair workload can be a frustrating process. Fortunately, automated assignments by MoveWorkForward helps remove the stress of assigning on Monday.com. Let me show you how it works. So we have a simple test environment here with a few tasks and some test users. To begin, we need to install the app. So go to the marketplace, search for automated assignments, then click install to avail of a free trial. Now once installed, we have to set up the automation. So we click on the automate icon in the top right. We will click on create from scratch. However, if you have existing automations, you'll have a create button around here. So there are two ways to trigger automated assignments: when a task is created or when a status changes. Let's start with when a task is created. So we'll change when this happens to an item created. And then for then do this, we want to scroll down and select automated assignments. So then for add and assign, we will assign to replace the user and assign the task. We will choose the team. For this, I just have a test team with 5 users. And in the column section, we want to choose people. And then we can choose the method to use. Random, as I'm sure you guessed, is random. It will assign users randomly. A round robin will assign users sequentially so that everyone gets a case. Then once done, everyone will get a case in the second round, and so forth and so on. And the least assigned is to share the workload evenly so that everyone has a fair number of tasks. So if somebody has just came back from holidays and you want their task load to catch up with the rest of the team, you might go with the least assigned option. For this, let's just choose round robin, and we will create our automation. Okay, now we can close this and go back to our tasks. So if I just create a new task, we will see the automation running in the bottom right. And now the task has just been assigned. If we create another, we can see it's now being assigned to a different user. And finally, we will try once more. And we can see again, another user has received the task. So let's say we want to base it on the status. So when the status updates to, let's say, ready to start, we will go back into our automate. We can disable this and we will click on the create automation. And this time, rather than choosing item created, we will choose status changes to something. Again, we will select automated assignments. We will choose to assign. We will select our team, select the column again, and choose the round robin once more. So the status we want to change is the status, and we will change it to ready to start. So let's create the automation. Now when we change this to ready to start, we can see the automation is running and it has just been assigned. As we can see, it is being assigned sequentially between the 5 users, and as there was 5 assigned, it is now returned to the original start point. One other benefit of this method is you can bulk assign. So if we select all the non-assigned cases and change the status to ready to start, we can see the automation running, and we will see all the cases being assigned, again following the round robin method. So by setting up automation, you can make it so much more convenient and easy for you to assign cases either when they're created or by bulk assigning. and automated assignments can ensure tasks are distributed evenly and fairly without much manual involvement or administrative overhead. Try it for free from the Monday Marketplace and see how automated assignments can help you move work forward. Thanks.